Across the globe, as we've been reporting this morning, has passed the 50 million mark. Let's take a look at the biggest offenders. The United States has the most cases, more than 9.9 million there. India, second place, 8.5 million cases of COVID-19. Brazil, third worst, with more than 5.6 million cases. For our parts, the UK has the 8th highest caseload globally, just edging up on 1.2 million cases. And over the last 24 hours, 20,572 people have tested positive for COVID in the UK. Today's figures reporting 156 further deaths within 28 days of testing positive. That brings the total number of deaths to 49,044. Let's try and reflect on those figures. Sky's Ali Fortescue joining us once again from the newsroom. 50 million, it's a horrible landmark, but one that needs to be marked.
Yeah, and I think there is a sense of inevitability about this. 50 million cases is an extraordinary number, as you say, and I think the real worry is that in reality that figure could be far higher. And certainly here in the UK, as you just said, we are edging ever closer to 50,000 deaths, which is another grim milestone. The government's saying that they are taking this very seriously, that they're not taking any chances, particularly when it comes to things like international travel. And certainly the situation with people coming from Denmark has changed dramatically in the last few days, after a mutant strain of the virus was found on a mink farm in Denmark. So that started as a 2-week quarantine that came into force on Saturday. Now, even hauliers that are trying to come to the UK from Denmark, if they've been in Denmark at all in the last 14 days, will not be allowed into the UK unless they are British, and then they will have to isolate for 2 weeks. So that is a significant change. Already pressure on the government from airlines, the likes of the boss of Ryanair, saying that this is a bizarre intervention, particularly as now cabin crew are included in those rules as well. So plenty of pressure, but the concern from the government is that will this mutant strain impact the effectiveness of a vaccine? There have been mutant strains before. It is more than likely that this mutant strain won't necessarily impact the vaccine, but the government clearly saying that they are not taking any chances here.
Ali, thanks very much indeed. Time, as always, to get the latest